Friends, welcome back to my channel DIY Affinity. Today we are going to make this beautiful wind chime using old cardboards. First, I am shredding these old cardboards into small tiny pieces. I have taken egg carton for this purpose. Then I am soaking it in hot piping water. Then I am grinding it using mixie. Now I am going to squeeze all the pulp using my hand. After that, I am going to add white glue in the mixture. Give it a thorough mix. After that, I am going to add all-purpose flour into the mixture till it attains the dough consistency. 1 or 2 spoons is usually required. Knead it thoroughly till it attains the dough consistency. No extra water is needed. Water from the glue is sufficient. Cardboard clay or paper clay is not smooth as air dry clay. It should attain this consistency. Now I am going to mold it into the desired shape. As I already told, paper clay or cardboard clay is not as smooth as air dry clay. It is always rough in the surface. But I like this rustic look. If you want a smooth finish, you can give a plaster of Paris coating after it dries. Now I am making a hole in the center of the parrot. Now I have made 10 such parrot beads. After molding, I am applying glue water mixture on the parrots. Let it dry for 2 or 3 days. After drying, the parrot bead looked like this. As I already told, if you want, you can add a plaster of Paris coat for smooth finish. But for me it is okay. So I am starting it to paint with white acrylic color for priming purpose to get the bright color. After it dries, I am coating it with parrot green color. I made this color by mixing yellow and green color. Now I am painting its bark. Now I am painting yellow color on its back. Now I am giving outline using black acrylic color. Now I have taken two cardboards. I have cut it in circle shape. Now I am coating it with white acrylic color. After it dries, I am coating it with ultramarine blue color. I am going to give 2 coats of ultramarine blue color. Now I am started making tassels. I have winded the woolen thread 30 times. After that I am tying the woolen thread. At the top as well as sides. Now I am going to cut the ends. Shape it properly. Now I am adding beads to the tassel. I am adding the parrot bead as well. Now I am going to make like this. First 1 bead, second 2 beads, third 3 beads, like that. In ascending order I am going to make. After that I am going to make 8 holes in the cardboard circle. Now I am going to tie parrots in each hole. In ascending order. I am tying it using glue gun. After tying all the 8 parrots, I am going to cover it with another circle cardboard which we painted already. Now I tied all the 8 parrot beads. Now I am going to cover it using another blue cardboard. Now I am going to cover the rough edges using lace. Now I have made a hole in the center for tying it. Now our wind chime is ready. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.